Hi, welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. I'm Tanya, and today we are in central Switzerland. We are at the Lungernsee, which is west of Lucerne. It's such a beautiful lake. As you can tell here, it's one of my favorite places. So today we are walking all the way around the lake, which is about 10 kilometers. It's a pretty easy walk, but it's really flat. So if you like what you see today, I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details for this walk, including a shorter version if you don't want to go so long, and an option for strollers if you have small children. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like and share it with your friends. And now let's get on the trail. Okay, starting the trail. Give me a little thumbs up. Okay, it's not quite summer yet. Obviously the water level needs to come up, otherwise you get on those water slides and drop 5 meters down onto the concrete. Okay, we're gonna do a little detour out on the island. We're following the official trail. Footpath leaves the main road, and then you continue on the sidewalk on the main busy road, or you can come up the hill like we are on the quote path, bypassing the busy road. I don't know, like right now it seems like maybe not the right decision, but I'm just gonna follow the official path and see what we think. We're gonna get some cheese. Okay, pull the one out. Let's see what we got. All right, can we have a little, okay, let's see, cheese. These are the people that made it. Nice. Thank you, Schallberger family. We'll have that for lunch. Like we said, you can just walk on the sidewalk down there. A lot of people have chosen that. You're by the motorcycles and such. I think it's nice to get up here, get a little perspective, overview, and a little bit of fitness. It's nice. Now I'm very happy that we took this trail up here. This is beautiful and a nice perspective a little higher up from the lake. So glad we followed the official trail. Little welcome shade. Thank you to the people that built these stairs. We appreciate it. That's quite a bit of water.
It's slippery.
Can you hold my hand?
Go right here.
Okay.
It's very slippery, all the black stuff.
Yeah. Now we go down through the tunnel back out to the water. Ooh, some people settling in for the whole day. Very popular with fishing around here. When the water level's higher, I wonder. I think you'd have to go around. Oy. Now we're on the busy road. Blah. Oh, it's only for like 3 meters. Okay, good. Oh, this is a very popular part of the trail. Here's the worst part of the trail, right by the road and this wall, but it's short. Just had a nice meal over at Kaiserstuhl, the restaurant there. We got the fish knusperi, so fried fish, over at the lake where everyone's fishing, so it made sense. Delicious, lots of fries. And now we're back on the trail. We're almost halfway. That's looking a little tall. Yes.
How do you already know this?
I've seen it before. So we saw some waterfalls when we first started the hike that are here. We're near them. But to see them, you have to go up a little detour. They're called something like the Dundelbachfälle. So we're going to do the detour. Okay, it's pretty high up and now it's super muddy. I wish I had my sticks now. It's a mess. And all the leaves Oh, cool. Ah. I think the detour up to the waterfalls, totally worth it. The upper falls, you can see the falls behind me now. Upper falls, it took us maybe 7 minutes to get up there. The sign said 20. I think 20 back and forth. But the trail is very slippery and a little dangerous, so just prepare for that. The lower falls takes like 1 minute, so everyone should go to that one. Beautiful. Yeah, definitely make the detour. All right, we're all done with our hike. We've gone all the way around the lake. It was beautiful, much better than I expected even. It wasn't that crowded in the morning, but now there's so many people out. I mean, it's a holiday weekend and it's a Sunday, so I'm not so surprised, but yeah, you should definitely come do it. Okay, there's a link in the description below to our website. It has all the details for this hike, including a trail map and the shorter version if you don't want to go the full route. And please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and we'll see you here next time for more family fun in Switzerland.